Decline of the Mauryan Empire. The decline of the Mauryan Empire can be attributed to a combination of internal and external factors. Here are some key factors that contributed to the decline of the Mauryan Empire. Succession issues. After the death of Ashoka the Great, the empire faced a series of weak and ineffective rulers. The succession of kings lacked stability, and short reigns and conflicts over the throne weakened the central authority. Administrative challenges. The vastness of the Mauryan Empire posed administrative challenges. As the empire expanded, it became increasingly difficult to maintain efficient governance over such a vast territory. The administration struggled to effectively manage and control distant provinces, leading to increased local unrest and revolts. Economic drain. The extensive military campaigns of Ashoka and his predecessors, coupled with ambitious infrastructure projects, put a strain on the empire's finances. The cost of maintaining a large standing army, constructing public works, and implementing social welfare policies created economic pressures and financial strain on the empire. Regional discontent and revolts. The Mauryan Empire consisted of diverse regions and populations, each with its own cultural and social practices. The imposition of a centralized rule and the enforcement of Mauryan policies sometimes clashed with local sentiments and traditions, leading to regional discontent and uprisings. External invasions. The Mauryan Empire faced external threats from neighboring powers. The northwest frontier, in particular, witnessed invasions from foreign forces, such as the Greeks, the Bactrians, and the Scythians. These invasions further weakened the empire's hold on its territories and contributed to its decline. Religious and social changes. After Ashoka's conversion to Buddhism, subsequent rulers did not maintain the same level of commitment to the principles of Dhamma. The decline of the emphasis on moral and compassionate governance weakened the unity and stability of the empire. Fragmentation and successor states. As the Mauryan Empire weakened, various regions began to assert their independence. Regional governors and local rulers took advantage of the central authorities' decline to establish their own kingdoms and states, leading to the fragmentation of the empire. Decline of the Mauryan Empire was a gradual process that took place over a span of several decades after Ashoka's reign. The exact sequence of events and the causes of the empire's collapse may vary in different historical accounts. However, the factors mentioned above provide a general understanding of the key reasons behind the decline of the Mauryan Empire.